look at these little guys. It's a little mom and her babies. All right, I'm gonna let them go back under their tent.
Let's put this on.
Look at that little guy. Hey, buddy. See what's in this. Oh, wow. Look. Whoa. What are you doing? Under there. Hold on. There's a little mouse right there. You see him? There's a little tiny guy. That's a legitimate shrew.
That's a shrew.
That's a... Oh, no, there's babies.
Oh, wow, I didn't see them.
We could hear them and they're just chilling. Holy crap.
I just got babies.
Giant babies. Hey, I see a racer right there sticking his head out.
Out of that hole.